Good morning, dear students. Today we will start the chapter Understanding Media with new subtopics. But before starting the chapter, we will discuss the subtopics which we studied in the last class. The subtopics are a balanced report. Second is censorship. What is a balanced report? A balanced report is one that discusses all points of a view of a particular story and then leaves it to the readers to make up their minds. Understand? And second is censorship. Students, you know that the government prevents either news item or scenes from a film, from a movie, or the lyrics of a song from being shared with a larger public. This is referred to censorship. Understand? So balanced report, the reports which will leave the readers to discuss about the right and wrong things about this. Understand? This is known as balanced report. Particular story of a particular story then leaves the reader to think about what is right and what is wrong. And censorship, when the government cuts a scene from a movie or lyrics from a song and prevents it from coming in public, is known as censorship. So students, the subtopics which we are going to discuss in the class, I hope that you will enjoy the class and be attentive for your class. Dear students, in this class we will discuss these two subtopics, that are what does TV do to us and what can we do with TV. And second subtopic is setting agendas. So we will start the chapter with the first subtopic, that is what does TV do to us and what can we do with TV. Students, you know that in many of our homes TV is on a lot of the time. In many ways, a lot of our impressions about the world around us are formed by what we see on TV. TV is like a window on the world. How do you think it influences us? TV has different types of programs, soap operas. You also see the serials like Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu, this Thai game shows like Kaun Banega Karodpati. Many more you see on the television, Big Boss also, news, sports and cartoons. Before and in between and after each program are advertisements you get. Since TV time costs so much money, only those programs that can attract the maximum numbers of viewers are shown. And on television you will get that the programs are shown which will attract maximum number of viewers. Understand? And are you getting? Does it show us more about the lives of the rich or the poor? No. We don't get about the lives of poor people, untrodden people on the television. Understand? On the television we don't get about these people. Understand? We need to think that what TV does to us, how it shapes our views of the world, our beliefs, attitudes and values. We need to realize that it gives us partial view of the world. While we enjoy our favorite programs, we should always be aware of large, exciting world beyond our TV screens. There is much happening out there that TV ignores. Understand? A world beyond film stars, celebrities and rich lifestyles. A world that all of us need to reach out to and respond to in various ways. We need to be active viewers who questions whatever we see and hear while we may enjoy TV program. So on the television we get that most of the things that are focused by television TV, especially the serials, the programs, and advertisements, and about the lifestyles of rich, understand, about the celebrities, about the powerful persons, and TV also ignores about the life of the poor and untrodden one, who are untrodden, who are discriminated, who are in low position in society, understand. And now we will discuss the second subtopic, that is setting agendas, understand. Students, you know that the media also plays an important role in deciding what stories to focus on and therefore decide what is newsworthy, understand. For example, the annual function at your school is unlikely to make the news, but if a famous actor is invited as the chief guest, understand, then the media might be interested in covering it by focusing on particular issues. The media influences our thoughts, feelings, and actions and bring those issues to our attention due to the significant influence it plays in our lives in shaping our thoughts, understand. It is commonly said that the media sets the agenda. It means that media only works on the agenda. Media only focus on that news that are newsworthy, that are more significant, and that are connected to the rich people, that are connected to the celebrities and big people, understand. They set an agenda, particular issue, understand, and by these we are influenced. Our thoughts are influenced by the news, whatever the coverage, whatever the news we get, we are influenced by that news, understand. Very recently in India, the media drew our attention on alarming levels of pesticides in cola drinks, and the media also published reports that indicated the high level of pesticides and thus made us aware of the need to be regularly monitor these colas according to the international quality and safety standards. And despite these, the government resistance by boldly declaring that colas were unsafe. So media also covering this story, the media positively helped us. Media also focused the story, whatever is said by the government, and media also focused positively about that news, and media also focused on issue that colas that are mixed with pesticides affect our lives, and one that we might not even have been aware of it had not been for media reporting, understand. So we are getting that in some position media plays a significant role to provide the news that are important. They focus on the particular news which are very significant for us, that will be helpful for the people to be aware. In some issues media works very well, understand. Just like in this instance, in this example we get that media focuses on the issue, that the government has also registered boldly declaring that colas were unsafe. So media published the report for the people so that people will be saved, and also focused that colas are mixed with pesticides.